Welcome to Center Mass Operations Day at the Range. Today we have our shooter here. Please state your name.
Amy Landrum.
And how often have you shot the AR-15, Amy?
I've shot it twice.
2 times. All right. Today we're going to try to go through the fundamentals and get Amy to shoot, as in the previous videos, top to bottom in the breathing with the recoil of the weapon and utilizing natural point of aim. And we're going to try to keep the shots down the center of the target from top to bottom. Alright, so what we want Amy to do is have her lead shoulder pointed directly at the target. Go ahead and insert the magazine. Charge the weapon by pulling the charging handle all the way back and letting it go. Go ahead and shoulder the weapon. So what we're going to want is this, create a yoke with your hand. Drop your hand there. You can drop your hand around, wrap it there. Drop this arm into your body and then raise this elbow to where your sights come up to eye level. I want you to find center mass of the target. Once you've located center mass, take the weapon off of safe. Fire your first shot, and we want to stay in that rhythm. I want you to breathe in, breathe out. As you exhale, squeeze the trigger. And we want those shots to go from the shoulders to the bottom of the target. Breathe in, breathe out, squeeze the trigger. That was perfect. Breathe in, breathe out, squeeze the trigger. Breathe in, breathe out, and squeeze the trigger. Stay in that rhythm. Breathe in, breathe out, squeeze the trigger. You're doing really well. Overall center mass. Breathe in, breathe out, squeeze the trigger. Good. Breathe in, breathe out, squeeze the trigger. Breathe in, breathe out, squeeze the trigger. Stay in that rhythm. Breathe in, breathe out, squeeze the trigger. Good. Breathe in, breathe out, squeeze the trigger.
That's it.
Go ahead, place the weapon on safe. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath. Breathe in, breathe out.
Oh, I lost it.
Stay in that rhythm. Breathe in, breathe out. Very good. Breathe in, breathe out. Don't. Good. Just like that. Stay in that rhythm.
That's it.
All right, here we are. We're downrange. Amy's target's showing 10 out of 10. We got one slightly out on the outside left, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically, we got 3 within probably a silver dollar size. We got 2 here within a quarter. And then she's got 2 up here and 2 down here. So for firing the AR for the 3rd time, after some instruction up there at the line, we've got a qualifying score.